In this episode of our bolting head retrofit video series, I'll be focusing on pulleys and cables. The cable system to control the movement of the drifters features same length feed cables for the forward and return movement. This common cable design eliminates the need to stock multiple length feed cables and prevents any mix-up during the maintenance process. These high strand count, corrosion-resistant cables offer great flexibility and extend service life. The pulleys are made of an oil-impregnated synthetic compound. This unique design gives self-lubricating properties that requires no internal bearing. The elimination of the failure point bearing and the combination of using synthetic materials reduces operating costs and downtime. Now that you know about the Komatsu TR21 pulleys and cables, be sure to check out our next bolting head retrofit video on drill mallets and cradles. Thanks for watching.